Hello everyone, welcome back. In this session we would learn how to solve the practice problem reverse array in groups. Okay, so first we would understand the question and then we would solve it. So let's start. Basically in this question, first we are given a value n, that is the total number of elements, then a value k. This k is the partition value. Basically according to the k we would be partitioning the given array. Right now k is 3, right? That means I need to first divide the array in 3 elements, basically create subgroups with 3 elements. So see, the first subgroup can have 3 elements, but the second subgroup cannot have 3 elements, right? Because in total the array only have 5 elements, right? So this is the first subgroup. 1 minute. This is the first subgroup, okay? And over here, this is the second subgroup, okay? Now, once I have divided it into subgroups, then I need to basically reverse the subgroups, okay? That means the first subgroup would be, 1 minute, first subgroup would become, after reversing, 3, 2, 1. And the second subgroup would become 5 and 4, okay? Then I just need to print the output as 3, 2, 1, that is the first subgroup, and then 5, 4, that is the second subgroup. So I hope the concept is clear to you and you guys are ready for the solution. So let's move forward. Okay. Now guys, you need to go to the practice portal. In practice portal, in the difficulty level, choose basic. Okay. Then find the problem, reverse array in groups. Once you find the problem, you need to click on solve. Okay. So let's solve the question now. Okay. 1 minute, let's read the question first. Okay, the question is given an array of positive integers of size n, reverse every sub-array group of size k. Okay, I hope the question is clear to you and we would be coding it over here. Okay, so let's code it. 1 minute, enter. Okay, first I would apply a for loop for I in range, okay, circular bracket 0, n, okay. And basically k is the step value, okay, enter. Now if I is greater than n minus k, okay, then what? Then reverse it. So array I colon, okay, equal to reversed, okay, reversed. How am I reversing is array brackets I colon, okay, enter. This is the if condition. 1 minute, I need to write the else condition as well, else, enter. Over here it would be array. See, over here first I am reversing the first half, okay, and in the else part I am reversing the remaining, that means the second half, okay. So 1 minute, array I colon I plus k, okay, then equal to reversed circular bracket array, again square bracket I colon I plus k, okay. Now enter, and finally I just need to return with the value of array. So return array. 1 minute, it should be in small. So return array. Now I need to check if it is correct or not. So I would click on compile and run. Let's wait. Okay, the compilation is completed. My output is matching with the expected output. So now I would submit the given problem. Let's wait. Problem is solved successfully, and this is how you solve the practice problem reverse array in groups. I hope this video was helpful for you and you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have enjoyed the video, make sure you click on the like button and subscribe our channel, and thank you for joining me today. Thank you.